because it wasn't working. It was so okay. We're here. See, you made it. We're here at the mountain we're gonna hike, and well, it's like a mile to the base of it, and then we got the mountain. And yeah, I dared Morgan to jump this, and he was scared, but now
I was skeptic.
Skeptic. I can literally step.
Still trying to do yoga moves across the bridge.
I can literally step this. Just give me room.
Step it then, man.
Easy peasy rhymes with cheesy.
It is a pretty cheesy jump.
You're a cheesy jump.
I don't know if I can do that.
Oh, I'm getting bit. I gotta get some bug spray.
Bear Grylls here. I'm gonna show you how to survive in the woods. Come on with me.
Oh,
there's cars.
Civilization.
We gotta get out.
They're after us.
Let's go down this way. Took away my old blue jeans. Now I'm wearing army greens. Hey, oh, sound off. Oh my gosh!
Yeah, there you go.
Sweet. Fly sword. Nice. I love nature hikes. If you haven't ever done it, go do it. Get out there.
The horse, crap, then you catch a steed.
Watch your step out in nature hikes. You know what Bear Grylls would do? That's right, he would have shoved it down his throat. Hey Dad.
Yeah.
You excited for the hike?
What's that?
You excited for the hike?
Oh yeah.
We haven't even started yet.
I know. This is like.
We're not even at the base of the mountain, and we're already getting tired.
Yeah. Gotta look good for the camera though.
Yeah.
Wait, cut. Okay.
I'll edit that part out.
We're good. There's nothing but a thing.
It's all good in the hood. You know what I'm saying? Hurry up! Let's just turn around and go to Dairy Queen.
Sounds like a good plan.
Yeah. What do you guys think? I think so.
Take a break and hitchhike other hikers. Carriers.
I doubt that.
Some fading good.
I think we need to catch up.
Yeah.
Power walk.
Oh, wow.
Power walk. This is a cool. This is a cool rock. We're here to rock you. Rock you or where? Hold on.
Like you're falling on
How do I get up here? Ooh.
I go up that way.
It just seems more
Push up, push up,
parkour.
push up.
Push up.
That's a planking push up. Thank you very much.
Hold on.
Push up.
This is how you get a rock hard chest. Push up.
Honey, truck. Car.
No, you gotta take a picture.
There you go.
Yeah.
Alright.
We should do like a.
I have a feeling I'm gonna sweat a lot during this hike.
That's so interesting.
We're almost to the start.
Yep.
Almost.
We've been hiking for hours, man.
It's just
Hours.
no. But
At least these trails are nice and dry, not sloppy so far.
Dad, you know how they've been setting out like logs for people?
Yeah.
sooner or later they're gonna,
You know, like for when the ladies get tired.
sooner or later they're gonna have lounge chairs and TVs.
Now you're talking.
And
With Xbox stations, PlayStations,
yeah,
every quarter mile.
that would be sweet. And have like
Only $10 gets you an hour and a half
yeah,
playtime.
that'd be cool. And
Don't forget about the soda and ice cream
yeah,
stands.
they'll have like mini fridges and the little mini hot dogs, little
Flat screen TV and a PlayStation.
And it'll say, this rest area is mother approved.
or it's guy approved. Look at this.
Let's explore. Wait, let's explore the Indian. We're doing very archaeological.
This is cool. Is there any dead bodies?
No.
Is there any gold?
I wish. This might have been an old house. Probably not.
Yeah, I'm sure it was.
See this right here, guys? This is the house. And then you just
Oh,
had
yeah,
a
yeah.
roof that went
Yep.
over this.
This is the foundation, or this is the.
This is the walls to the house.
Oh
Yep.
yeah.
You see this? You see how the steps
People were probably really short back then,
Oh yeah.
Yeah, see how the steps go
whenever
down
this was
into it?
made.
And so this is about as tall as it got, maybe a little bit taller. And then there's a roof line that goes up over this.
Was it like a hunting thing, you think?
It may have been.
People were
I bet
short.
Kind of underground.
I bet you $1,000,000 under all that dirt. There's a basement door, and there's probably something under there valuable.
I know.
I don't think so.
Hey, you never know.
All right, on the road again. Ouch. There's rocks in my shoes. Whoa. I gotta keep my balance. Damn. It's a dam. Oh, tripped. Get it? So we came to the stop, and I thought we went in circles.
Because the same thing is over there.
Same. It looked like the same cars, but I was like, what?
Yeah, I know.
All that hiking.
For nothing! What, did we take a wrong turn or something? That's what I thought.
Should have taken that left turn at Albuquerque.
I gave it with some.
Okay. Now we're on the hike.
Babe.
We're going uphill now.
It's the Italian stallion.
Sure. Whatever floats your boat.
Somewhere.
Woo!
Can't wait till we get to the top.
Where's that Starbucks they promised me?
Wanna-
we have more.
Oh yeah, that's like iceberg cold. Washing the sweat away. We're almost there. We've traveled like what, a mile? Less than a mile up this mountain, and we've got like what, 2 more to go? How much more to go?
There's 1.8 up. You just traveled like
Less than okay, it's like
0.3 probably.
I don't know how much we traveled, but we've traveled. We're halfway. Not even. You heard him. All right, we're about halfway there. It's been awesome. I love hiking. It's great. Just go down that way. How about that?
The best way down, but a better chance of getting poison ivy.
Poison ivy's more even divey. Mountain Men. We're going on the show Mountain Men, guys. We're gonna live off the land. Look at. Okay, now we've reached the trail.
Hold on 1 second, guys.
Come on.
All right, go. I mean, I can do it, but I'm just trying to make it enjoyable.
I'm just kidding.
How's it looking, Ranger?
We made a wrong turn. Almost fell off the mountain. Yep. Let's keep her moving.
Ready, Mom? Ooh.
Yeah. Guys, look at it. We're at the top. See? Look it.
Oh my goodness. No, it looks like a picture actually. Wow. Look at that swamp over there. Actually, when you move, Dad, it's just so breathtaking, just as a picture, doesn't it?
Okay, who wants to come back in October and do this? When it's cool.
And the trees are all colorful.
October,
Oh,
you know,
yeah.
nice and colorful.
Oh my gosh, wow, Mom. When you move side to side like that, it's kind of making you dizzy, because
This is amazing.
it is so big. It's like almost like a picture.
To think this has been here for like hungry. We're not going to put
Yeah, I see it.
Hey guys, come here this way. Look.
then another 45 minutes before, you know.
okay.
This is really. Wow. Now this was worth the hike.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
So cool. This is like you're really in wilderness here. Yeah, you can just get lost out here. This is the Adirondacks. Look at far as you can see. You get out here and you're just like, where do I go?
Yeah, I know.
Look at that. That's like an untamed valley. You can see there's a few structures down in there.
Mm-hmm. I can't even see it on camera. It's so bright. Dang. Look at this. Oh. Oh. All of you people who are scared of heights are freaking out right now. I bet. If you ever come on a nature hike, try to get the tallest mountain with the prettiest view. We're up Lake George. It's pretty amazing. Dang. So worth it. Makes you appreciate nature 100 times more.
Yeah, but if you film this whole perimeter around here, just said that to me, this and that.
You took a picture of a lot of
Just
trees.
film.
I did.
Anyways, this is not even maybe a little bit less than a quarter of New York, because I can see really far, and so and it looks like we got plenty of trees. Then there's the other 3/4 of New York. Then there's all of America. Then there's all of the world. We've got plenty of trees, tree huggers. So don't go worrying.
Yeah, but not as much trees as we once did.
Yeah, but we still got plenty.
Moment's gone.
Alright, I did my initials. I'm starting a trend. We're all eating bananas.
Pick them.
We find them appealing.
Find them appealing. Alright, we're going down this way to make it a little more hardcore. What'd you think?
Awesome. All right, let's do it.
We made it.
We still got 3 miles to go down the road.
No, 1.4.
Really?
Alright, we got 1 mile left till we go